Hey there! Welcome to Feeling Visual. This tutorial asks the question, what are your highlights of 2019? I'm very curious. My first highlight is that I'm doing this. I started feeling visual, and whatever this is, I love that I can follow my creativity and just create and do my own stuff. The second thing is that I've had a new job already since a year. And within that job, I took a new opportunity. And although it seems uncertain, I really believe this is the future for the company. I really believe we need this. The third highlight is that I'm giving visual thinking workshops. I'm really working on my confidence and sharing my knowledge and my skills, which are quite unique, I discovered. The fourth thing is that I went on a holiday all by myself. 4 days of being alone, which I loved. I can definitely recommend it to anyone. The fifth thing is that I discovered that my honesty is actually such a big and unique trait. Not everyone has this or feels the same way and is perhaps as brave as I am sometimes. The sixth thing is that I decided to make a visual book. It's actually work in progress, but I love that I got this idea and I decided why not? Just why the F not? So I'm gonna do it. So these were my highlights of 2019, but I'm super curious. What are your highlights? Take some time, have some champagne, and think for yourself. Good luck.